Environment and sustainable development. First, basic questions. Given below two statements, one labeled as assertion A and reason R. Assertion A: sustainable development is important for well-being of human society. Reason R: sustainable development is a kind of development that meets the need of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Second, arrange the following events in chronological order and select the correct answer. First, Rio Earth Summit. Second, publication of Brundtland Commission report. Third, enforcement of Montreal Protocol. फोर्थ, पब्लिकेशन ऑफ द लिमिट टू ग्रोथ रिपोर्ट. आंसर इसका है सबसे पहले आपका जो है पब्लिकेशन ऑफ द लिमिट टू ग्रोथ रिपोर्ट 1972. उसके बाद आपका है पब्लिकेशन ऑफ ब्रटलैंड कमीशन रिपोर्ट अगस्त 1987. फिर आपका है इन्फोर्समेंट ऑफ मॉन्ट्रियल प्रोटोकॉल 1989. और आखिरी में आपका रियो अर्थ समिट है 1992. Third, the discussion on sustainable development was started after submitting a report on environment to the United Nations in 1987. That report was, answer इसका है, our common future. Fourth, environment refers to, answer इसका है, the natural world of land, air, water, plants, animal that exist around. The sum total of conditions which surround human beings at a given point of time. Third, the interacting system of physical, biological and cultural elements which are interlinked. ये सारे आपका environment का definition है. Which of the following is not related to environmental protection? तो इसका आंसर है poverty elevation. The Environment Protection Act of India was enacted in, answer है 1986. 7. When the Environment Protection Act for Preservation and Protection of Environment was passed by the Government of India, answer 1986. 8. In which of the following years the Environment Protection Act was passed, answer 1986. 9. The Environmental Protection Act in India was enacted in which of the following years, answer is 1986 AD. 10. Environment is a composite state of, answers का है all of the above, biotic factors, physiographic factors or abiotic factors. 11. Generally, environment can be classified as following categories. Which one of the following is not a part of such category? Answer इसका operational environment नहीं है, not. सही आंसर है फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट, कल्चर और बायोलॉजिकल. मगर जब नॉट अ पार्ट बोला गया तो ऑपरेशनल एनवायरनमेंट. 12. Sustainable development is a matter of intergenerational sensibility in respect of the use of, answer and natural resources. 13. What is blue carbon? Answer is carbon captured by ocean and coastal ecosystem. 14. Saving energy and other resources for future without sacrificing people's comfort in the present is the definition of which of the following concept? The answer is sustainable development. 15. Which of the following development goals SDG will target the water availability for all its permanent management up to 2030 in India? Answer is SDG 6. 16. The decade of sustainable energy for all is the initiative of, answer is United Nations. 17. Which of the following is a nodal institution for implementation of sustainable development goals in India? तो इसका आंसर है नीति आयोग. 18. World Environment Day is celebrated on, answer है 5 June. 19. The World Environment Day is celebrated on, answer है 5 June. 20. The book Silent Spring, published in 1962, which set the tone for an environmental movement in the world, was written by, answer है Raquel Carson. 21. A country's natural capital included all of the following except, आंसर इसका है रोड्स. फॉरेस्ट होता है, वाटर होता है, मिनरल होता है, मगर रोड नहीं होता है. तो इसका आंसर रोड है. 22. What is the theme of for World's Environment Day 2018? आंसर है बीट प्लास्टिक पॉल्यूशन. 23. The main role of solar radiation is in. आंसर है वाटर साइकिल. 24. National Environmental Engineering Research Institute situated at. आंसर है नागपुर. 25. When and where the National Environment Engineering Institute NERI was established. आंसर इसका है 1958 नागपुर. 26. Which is important for sustainable development. आंसर इसका है कंजर्वेशन ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी, प्रिवेंशन ऑफ कंट्रोल ऑफ पॉल्यूशन और डिक्रीजिंग पॉवर्टी. ये सारे आंसर हैं इसके, तो ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट है. 27. द कॉमन कार्बन मैट्रिक सपोर्टेड बाई UNEP हैज़ बीन डेवलप्ड फॉर. आंसर इसका है असेसिंग द कार्बन फुटप्रिंट ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑपरेशंस अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. 28. Which one of the following is not the objective of smart city development? Answer is stabilizing quality of life. 29. Earth Summit was held at. Answer है Rio de Janeiro. 30. What is the title of Rio 20 Declaration? Answer इसका The Future We Want. The first Earth Summit was held at. Answer है Rio de Janeiro. 32. The international conference held in Rio de Janeiro was. Answer है the United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development. 33. What is the thin layer of gases around the earth called? Answer है atmosphere. 34. Air is an. Answer है mixture. 35. Percentage of nitrogen in dry air. Answer है 78%. 36. Which of the following is considered to be optimum concentration of carbon dioxide for natural balance in atmosphere? Answer है 0.03%. 37. Which one of the following noble gases is not present in the air? Answer है radon. 38. In the atmosphere the highest percentage is of. Answer है nitrogen. 39. The highest percentage of gas in the air is. Answer है nitrogen. 40. If all the plant and trees vanish from earth and the gas which will decrease is. Answer है oxygen. 41. Which of the following is not a function of a tree? Answer है air pollution. 42. Consider following. First, photosynthesis. Second, respiration. Third, decay of organic matter. Fourth, volcanic action. Which of the above add carbon dioxide to the carbon cycle of on earth? तो इसका आंसर है 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं करता है. 43. Which of the following does not add carbon dioxide to carbon cycle on the planet earth? तो आंसर इसका है फोटोसिंथेसिस. बाकी रेस्पिरेशन से होता है, डिके ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैटर और वॉल्केनिक एक्शन से होता है. 44. द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ वेदरिंग रिलेट्स टू. आंसर इसका है नेचुरल प्रोसेस लीडिंग टू द डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ रॉक्स. 45. द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ वर्ल्ड मेट्रोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज लोकेटेड एट. आंसर है जेनेवा. 46. द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ यूनेप इज लोकेटेड एट. आंसर है नैरोबी. Nairobi, Kenya, 1972, UNEP. 47. Where is the headquarter of UNEP, United Nations Environment Program? Answer है Nairobi. 48. Where was the fourth session of UN Environment Assembly, UNEA4, held recently? Answer है Nairobi, Kenya. 49. What does EPA stand for? Answer है Environment Protection Agency. 50. In which of the following institute the Environmental Information System (ENVIS) Center on Pollution and Environment is located? Answer है IIPS Mumbai. International Institute for Population Science Mumbai. NEA stand for. Answer है National Environmental Authority. 52. The headquarter of Greenpeace International is located at. Answer है Amsterdam. 53. Eco mark is given to an Indian product which is. Answer है eco-friendly, environmental friendly. 54. To label environment friendly consumer product the government has introduced. आंसर है इको मार्क। 55. According to the Sustainable Development Goal (SDG) India Index 2019 recently released by Niti Aayog, which state holds the first position? आंसर इसका है केरला। 56. Which of the following state is not in the list of top 5 states in the Sustainable Development Goal Index 2019-20? आंसर है गुजरात। 57. Sustainable agriculture means? आंसर इसका है to utilize land so that its quality remains intact। 58. Which one of the following state is in India has recently introduced the greenhouse farming? आंसर इसका है पंजाब। 2001 की बात। 59. Assertion A. Natural vegetation is the true index of climate. Reason are water-loving plants are found in moist climate. In the context of the above, which one of the following is correct? Answer है both statement are true and R is the correct explanation of A. 60. Urbanization and industrialization are harmful. Answer है for all of the above. For balanced development, environment and ecology, and for biodiversity conservation. Biodiversity conservation. High level questions. The National Green Tribunal Act 2010 was enacted in consonance with which one of the following provisions of the Constitution of India? Right to a healthy environment constituted as a part of right to life under Article 21. Second, provision of grant for raising the level of administration in the scheduled area for the welfare of scheduled tribe under Article 275(1). Power and functions of Gram Sabha are mentioned under Article 243A. Select the correct answer using the code given below. तो आंसर है only one. Right to healthy environment constituted as a part of right of life under Article 21. National Green Tribunal was established on 18 October 2010 under National Green Tribunal Act 2010 for effective and expeditious disposal of case relating to environmental protection and conservation of forests to provide the right to a healthy environment constituted as a part of right to life under Article 21. It draws inspiration from the Constitution of India Article 21, which assures the citizens of India the right to a healthy environment. Notably, on 18th October 2010, Justice Lokeshwar Singh Patna became its first chairman. Present chairman of NGT is second. The National Green Tribunal came into force on October 2010. Third, National Green Tribunal was established by the Government of India. Answer 2010. Fourth, the author of Green Development is? Answer W.M. Adams. Fifth, what is Rio +20 conference often mentioned in the news? Answer is it is the UN Nations Conference on Sustainable Development. Rio +20 is a short name for the UN Conference on Sustainable Development. This conference took place in Brazil in June 2012 to mark 20th anniversary of the 1992 UN Conference on Environment and Development (UNCED) in Rio de Janeiro and the 10th anniversary of the 2002 World Summit on Sustainable Development (WSST) in Johannesburg. Sixth, in the year 1997, the World Environment Conference was organized in? Answer Kyoto. Seventh, the Earth Summit +5 was held in? Answer 1997. In 1992, more than 100 heads of the state meet in Rio de Janeiro. Brazil was for the first International Earth Summit. Thus, this summit was convened to address urgent problem of environmental protection and socio-economic development. They assembled later signed the Convention on Climate Change and Convention on Biodiversity, endorsed the Rio Declaration and the Forest Principle, and adopted Agenda 21 for achieving the sustainable development in the 21st century. The Commission on Sustainable Development (CSD) was created to monitor and report to the implementation of Summit Agreement. It was agreed that 5-year review of Earth Summit progress would be made in 1997 by the UN General Assembly (UNGA) meeting in special session. Accordingly, a special session of UN General Assembly was held from 23 to 27 June 1997 in New York to take stock on how well countries, international organizations and sectors of civil society have responded to challenges of the Earth Summit. This meeting was known as Earth Summit Plus 5. Notably, Rio Plus 10 Summit was held in Johannesburg in 2002 and Rio Plus 20 was held in Rio de Janeiro in 2012. Consider the following statement. First, the Sustainable Development Goals were first proposed in 1972 by a global think tank called Club of Rome. Second, the Sustainable Development Goals have been achieved by 2030. Which of the statement above is given is or are correct? Answer second only. Sustainable Development Goal was proposed in 2012 at Rio Plus 20. Ninth, who has propounded the concept of limit to growth? Answer a Club of Rome. In April of 1968, 30 people including scientists, educators, economists, humanists, industrialists and government officials met in Academia di Linci in Rome. The Club of Rome was born from this meeting as an informal organization. The concept of limits to growth was propounded by the Clubs of Rome. 10. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and second reason R. Assertion A: there is a positive relation between Human Development Index (HDI) and Sustainable Development Goals (SDG) ranking of Indian state. Reason R: the underlying dimension of SDG target are closely related to education and health aspect. Select the correct answer using the code below. तो आंसर है both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. ग्यारह, with reference to the Global Alliance for Climate Smart Agriculture (GACSA), which of the following statement is or are correct? First, GACSA is an outcome of the climate summit held in Paris in 2015. Second, membership of GACSA does not create any binding obligations. Third, India was instrumental in the creation of GACSA. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Answer is second only. Membership of GACSA does not create any binding obligation. Statement 1 is incorrect because the concept of climate smart agriculture (CSA) was originally developed by FAO in 2010 through the paper Climate Smart Agriculture Policies, Practices and Financing for Food Security, Adaptation and Mitigation. In 2014, an alliance was set up with this issue as its focal point, the GACSA, Global Alliance for Climate Smart Agriculture. Statement 2 is correct because membership in the alliance does not create any binding obligation. Statement 3 is incorrect because India is just a signatory. 12. The Partnership for Action on Green Economy page, a UN member and UN mechanism to assist countries transition toward a greener and more inclusive economy is emerged at. Answer: the United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development 2012, Rio de Janeiro. With reference to Agenda 21, sometimes seen in the news, considered the following statement. First, it is Global Action Plan for Sustainable Development. Second, it originated in the World Summit on Sustainable Development held in Johannesburg in 2002. Which of the following statement given above is or are correct? Answer A, first only. Agenda 21 is non-binding, voluntarily implemented action plan for the UN on Sustainable Development. It is a product on the Earth Summit, UN Conference on Environment and Development, held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil in 1992. Hence, only statement 1 is correct. 14. Many transplanted seedlings do not grow because. Answer is most of the root hairs are lost during transplantation. 15. Environmental degradation means. Answer: overall degradation of environmental attributes, adverse change brought in by human activities. Third, ecological imbalances because of ecological diversity. इस तीनों सही हैं. 16. Which of the following are related to protection of ecological balance? First, forest policy. Second, environmental protection act. Third, industrial policy. Fourth, educational policy. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Answer है all of the above. चारों सही है. 17, concerning global environment facility, which of the following statement is or are correct? तो आंसर है it serve as the financial mechanism for convention on biological diversity and United Nations framework convention on climate change. Plakimada, which has been in the news for immense damage to its environment, lies in. Answer है Kerala. 19. Environment Protection Act EPA is also known as. Answer है umbrella legislation. 20. The Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee is constituted under the. Answer है Environment Protection Act 1986. 21. With reference to the circumstances in Indian agriculture, the concept of conservation agriculture assumes significance. Which of the following fall under the conservation agriculture? First, avoiding monoculture practices. Second, adopting minimum tillage. Third, avoiding the cultivation of plantation crops. 4, using crop residue to cover the soil surface. 5, adopting spatial and temporal crop sequencing or crop rotation. Answer is 2, 4 and 5. Adopting minimum tillage, using crop residue to cover the soil surface, and 5, adopting spatial and temporal crop sequencing or crop rotations. 22. As a result of their annual survey, the National Geographical Society and an international polling firm Globescan gave India top rank in Grindex 2009 score. What is this score? Answer is it is a measure of environmentally sustainable consumer behavior in different countries. 23. Which one of the following is the best strategy for environment friendly sustainable development in Indian agriculture? तो आंसर इसका है मिक्स्ड क्रॉपिंग, ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर्स, नाइट्रोजन फिक्सिंग प्लांट्स एंड पेस्ट रेजिस्टेंट क्रॉप वैराइटीज. 24. Consider following statement. Select the correct answer from quotes given below. Assertion A. India is a case of an over urbanized country. Reason are most of the large cities in India do not have adequate infrastructure. Answer इसका है A is false but R is true. 25. The investigator of natural farming was. Answer है Masanobu Fukuoka. 26. Which country introduced the Green Army for environment conservation? Answer है Australia. Green Army is a 6-month program for 17 to 24-year-old youths in Australia to train and work for the environment. Green Army project include restoring native vegetation, heritage restoration, protecting animal habitats and regenerating wetlands in urban, rural and remote areas. The Green Army program closed on 30 June 2018. 27. During the mid-80s decade of 20th century, the negative aspect of development were discussed at large. Which one among the following was not such important? आंसर है पॉलिटिक्स एंड डेवलपमेंट. इसके बाद हम देखते हैं इकोलॉजी. फर्स्ट, इकोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन. आंसर है ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड एनवायरनमेंट. सेकेंड, द टर्म इकोसिस्टम वाज प्रपोज्ड बाय. आंसर इसका है टांसले. थर्ड, विच of the following is not true about the ecosystem? आंसर है it is a closed system. ये आंसर गलत है. 4. Which of the following is not correct about the ecosystem? आंसर है it is a closed system. 5. Which 4 component constitutes an ecosystem? आंसर है abiotic materials, producers, consumers and decomposers. 6. Which one of the following is the best description of the term ecosystem? Answer है a community of organisms together with the environment in which they live. 7. Which of the following is an artificial ecosystem? Answer a field. 8. Which of the following is an artificial ecosystem? Answer a rice field. 9. The number of organisms that can be supported by the environment in a given area is known as. Answer a carrying capacity. 10. Which one of the following terms describes not only the physical space occupied by an organism but also its functional role in the community of organisms? Answer a ecological niche. 11. The actual location or place where an organism lives is called. Answer a habitat. 12. Which of the following ecosystem covers the largest area of the earth's surface? Answer is a marine ecosystem. 13. Which one of the following is the largest ecosystem of the world? Answer a ocean. 14. Which of the following does not help to maintain ecological balance? Answer a cutting forest. 15. Which one of the following is one of the main causes of ecological balances in India? Answer a deforestation. 16. Which of the following is an act that disturbs the ecological balance? Answer a lumbering. It is lumbering which disturbs the ecological balances. 17. The highest trophic level in an ecosystem is obtained by. Answer a omnivores. 18. Which of the following is not a biotic component of an ecosystem? Answer a air. 19. The primary source of energy in eco body is. Answer a solar energy. 20. Driving force of an ecosystem is. Answer a solar energy. 21. Concerning the food chain in an ecosystem, which of the following kind of an organism is or are known as decomposer organism or organisms? First, virus. Second, fungi. Third, bacteria. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Answer are 2 and 3. Fungi and bacteria. 22. Which of the following are the primary consumer in an ecosystem? Select the correct answer from the codes given below. Answer: पहला ant, second deer, third fox, fourth tiger. Answer इसका ants and deer. Primary consumer in an ecosystem. 23. In a food chain, man is. Answer: a primary as well as secondary consumer. 24. 10% law is related with. Answer: a transfer of energy as food from one trophic level to another. 25. In the marine environment, the main primary producers are. Answer: phytoplanktons. 26. Among the biotic component of the ecosystem, the producer system is. Answer: green plants. 27. Trophic level 1 includes. Answer: green plants. 28. What is true about ecosystem? Answer: producer are more than primary consumers. 29. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched? Answer: green plant ecosystem. 30. The correct order in the food chain of the various components of a terrestrial grass ecosystem is. Answer: grass, grasshopper, frog or snake. 31. Which of the following constitutes a food chain? Answer: grass, goat, human. Grass autotroph, goat herbivorous consumer, humans omnivorous consumers. 32. The pyramid of energy in an ecosystem is. Answer: always upright. 33. Biomass pyramid is reversed in which type of ecosystem? Answer: pond. 34. An inverted pyramid of biomass can be found in which ecosystem? Answer: marine. 35. Which one of the following organism is likely to show the highest concentration of DDT once it has been introduced in the ecosystem? Answer: snake. 36. The amount of energy during the transfer from one trophic level to another in an ecosystem? Answer: decrease. 37. The amount of energy during transfer from one trophic level to another in an ecosystem? Answer: decreases. 38. Which one of the following trees is not eco-friendly? Answer है eucalyptus. 39. Which one of the following trees is considered to be an environmental hazard? Answer है eucalyptus. 40. The example of lentic habitat in the freshwater community is? Answer है ponds and swamps. 41. The transitional zone between two distinct communities known as? Answer है ecotone. 42. Which of the following is the most stable ecosystem? Answer है ocean. 43. Most stable ecosystem is? Answer है ocean. 44. Which is the most stable ecosystem? Answer है marine ocean. 45. Which of the following is an example of anthropogenic biome? Answer है cropland. 46. Consider the following statement. First, most of the world's coral reef are in tropical waters. Second, more than 1/3 of the world's coral reef are located in the territories of Australia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. Third, the coral reefs host far more number of animal phyla than those hosted by tropical rainforest. Which of the following statement given above is or are correct? तो आंसर इसका है 1, 2 and 3 तीनों सही है. 47. Which one of the following is the largest ecosystem of the earth? Answer है hydrosphere. 48. The cycling of element is an ecosystem is called? Answer है biogeochemical cycles. 49. In case of which one of the following biogeochemical cycles the weathering of rocks is the main source of release of nutrient to enter the cycle? Answer है phosphorus cycle. 50. The movement of nutrient elements through various components of an ecosystem is called? Answer है biogeochemical cycle. 51. Which one of the following is not related to ecological balance? Answer है industrial management. 52. Ecologic is permanent economy is the slogan of which movement? Answer है चिपको movement. 53. चिपको movement is related to? Answer है plant conservation. 54. Consider the following statement relating to the ecosystem. First, the term ecosystem was first used by A.G. Tansley. Second, those organisms which produce their food themselves are termed as autotrophs. Third, consumers consume their food through the process of photosynthesis. Fourth, decomposers convert inorganic matter into organic matter. Which of the above statement are correct? Answer है 1 and 2. The term ecosystem was first used by A.G. Tansley. The organisms which produce their food themselves are called autotrophs. 55. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of ecosystem in the order of decreasing productivity? Answer है mangroves, grassland, lakes, oceans. 56. Concerning food chains in ecosystem, consider the following statements. First, a food chain illustrates the order in which a chain of organisms feed upon each other. Second, food chains are found within the population of a species. Third, a food chain illustrates the number of organisms which is eaten by others. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? Answer है only 1. A food chain illustrates the order in which a chain of organisms feeds upon each other. 57. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer है the energy flow in the biospheric ecosystem is unidirectional. High level questions. Who of the following used the term deep ecology for the first time? Answer है Arne Neis. Second, the concept of ecological niche was enunciated by? Answer है Grinnell. Third, the measurement unit of the ecological footprint is answer a global hectares. 4. The minimum area of the land required to completely sustain the life of the person is called his answer a ecological footprint. 5. Which one of the following statement best describes the term social cost of carbon? It is a measure in monetary value of the a long-term damage done by a ton of CO2 emissions in a given year. 6. Read the ecological concerns and the year in which acts were executed in India. Ecological concerns year act was passed